So what you can also do is give Gemini content and then ask questions out of those content that you give it. So for example, I'm going to go around over here onto this Wikipedia page right here, and then let me just go around onto these early devices and copy out this particular text right here. So let's just go around and copy this, and then I'm going to go around and paste it out right here, just like this. And now what I'm going to say is, let's say for example, I am going to ask you questions out of this content. Answer me accordingly right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then it analyzes that out right here, and then you can see that it gives you a basic information about what the passage is about right here. So it says, I can answer your questions in more detail about this specific devices or era in the history of computing. So I'm going to go around and say list the devices mentioned in the passage right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see right here. These are the devices that are listed in the passage right here. So I'm going to go around and say, tell what is a calculator as mentioned in the passage right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here just like this, you can see that now you can see that it just gives detail about that particular information. And that is how you can give content to Gemini and then ask informations out of that content and get answers to it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.